Hello, today we're going to look at a surface area of irregular solid prism. But before we get in there, we will use irregular solid as a review so that when we get to irregular, we will know what we are doing. A surface area of a polyhedron is the sum, which is we are adding the areas of its faces, and it can be found by multiplying the perimeter of the bases by the height, adding the area of both bases. So we are going to use this formula here, which is a surface area is equals to the lateral area plus both bases. So when it comes to the LA is a lateral, which can be simplified by the height times the perimeter of the base. So this regular prism here, realize that it has 6 faces. So instead of calculating each area and then adding them together as here, we can simply use this formula and it will give us the same answer. So we are going to go ahead to find our lateral area, which is LA, and we say the height. So now the height, this is the height, and the height is 2, and then we multiply it by the perimeter of the base. So here 4, and it's 2 of them, another one here, and then plus this side here, which is 3, plus another 3, because here is also 3. And when we do that, we got 2 times 4 plus 4, 8, plus 3, 11, 14, the perimeter. And when we do that, we get 28. And now find our 2b. The 2b is just the both bases. So we are finding the top and down. It's the area. So it's going to be this side here times that side. So this is our 2 here. And then multiplying by 4 times 3. This gives us 12. And that gives us 24. So therefore, the surface area, say here, is just the LA plus the 2B. We get the LA to be 28 plus both bases give us 24 square centimeter, and that gives us this. So now we have irregular. We realize that some of the section has been cut off, and now we need our height when it comes to the lateral. So if we want to say this is the height 3, since a little portion of here has been cut off, it's not working out for the cutoff, so we have to turn it around or flip it around. So we are going to pick it up this way so that the cutoff will be the base. This cutoff here can be the base, and then this side here will be the height. And when we turn it that way, that will be the height. So let's look at our lateral. You know that the lateral is the height times the base perimeter. So we are using this as a height, and then the perimeter of the base, which is here, which happens to be 4, plus this side here 3, plus here we use this number here 1, plus down here for us to know this side here from the bottom to the top is 3, and from here to here is 1. So if 1 take away from 3, the here will give us 2. So plus 2, and from here to here is 3 as this, plus 1. That's it. It's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 3 times This is 7, 3, and 7. So 14. That gives us 42. We need our 2b. The b stand for which is 2, which we are doubling base area. So realize that the base of the irregular, that's our new base when we turn it around that way. And it's of 2 sections. So you can cut it any way you want. Go from here. So I got 1 and I got 2. And we're going to find the area. So from here to here is 1 and here is 3. So from here to here is also 1. From here to here is 3 and this is 1. So the 2b, which is 2, is constant over here. And then the first cutoff area is 3 by 3 times 1 plus here 1 times 3. We could 3 plus 3, which becomes 6. 6 times 2 is 12. Therefore, the surface area of this irregular prism here is 42 plus 12. That gives us 54 centimeter squared. Okay, so let's use this multiple choice surface area to get more deeper understanding. Here, each of the cube is just 1 inch. We cannot use this height because there is a little cutoff here. So we have to make sure that the cutoff is the base. So here is the base. So because of that, we're going to put it this way so that the cutoff will be the base. We're using our LA, which is the height. So the height, now when we turn it that way around, the height is going to be this. The new height is going to be 2. So it's 2. And then the times the perimeter. Each of the balls is 1 inch. So 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 3 plus another 3. Here we just count and then 1 here plus another 1. Then plus 2 and plus another 2. So we got 2. We add everything together. We got gonna get 12. And 2 times 12 is 24. We need a 2b. So that's the base. The base is of 2. So this time around we can cut it off this way to make it regular so that we can calculate the area of the base. So this is 1 and this is 2. I remember we're supposed to have this 2 over there. So the first one is 3 by 2. So 3 times 2 and then plus 1 times 1. Got 2 here. This gives us 6 plus 1, which is 7. And then we multiply 2 times 7 gives us 14. And then surface area will be the addition of the LA, 24 plus 14, and that gives us 38 inch squared. So this is the answer. Let's look at the next example. So here 2 is irregular. So we need the lateral area, which we need a height. We cannot take this height as that because there's a little cutoff here. So we have to pick it up so that this will be the base inset so that we can have a right height. We will pick it up and that here will be the base. So the height for the new position is going to be 3. We need the perimeter of the base, so the perimeter is of say section 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 here, plus from here to here 3, plus here to here is also 3, and then from this top here to this here, we can figure it out. The whole of this is 3 and here is 2, so that means here is 1, so plus 1, and from here to that is this 3 here, so plus 3, then plus 2. That's it. We got 6 or all the 6 sides. So we add all together. That gives us 18. That gives us 54. Okay, we need our 2b. The base is irregular, so we have to make it regular. So we will cut it this way. So we have section 1 and we have section 2. So section 1 from here to here is 3 and here is 2. So that's going to be 3 times 2 plus from here to here is 3 and here to here is also 3. So it's going to be 3 times 3. We got 6 plus 9. And that gives us 15. And that 2 times 15 is 30 here. And therefore we are looking for our surface area, which is going to be 54 plus 30. And that will be 84 centimeter squared. Let's look at this last one here. So we want to use our LA plus 2B to get our surface area. We need our height. So once more again, the base here is irregular. So we need to turn it. So we have to pick it up to stand this way so that this will be the height. So the irregular has the base in order for all of them to be fit. Okay, so here our LA, the height is 3. The perimeter of the base, we have 6 sides, so 5 plus 3 plus 2, I know 2 because of that, and then from here, the whole height from here to here was 3, and here to here is 2, so here is 1 plus 1, then from here to here, since from here to here is 5, and from this section here is 3, or even we see the 3 over here. So it's 3 plus 3 and then plus 2. This 2 here, close it. Got 3. This is 5, another 5. So it's going to be 16. So that will give us 3 times 16, 48. We need our 2b. So the base area, and then we double it. Base area is 2 bases because it's irregular. So we cut it into 2. So the section 1 and the section 2. So the section 1 is 5 by 2. Here 5 and then 2, then plus this little piggy here, which is 2 by 1. So 2 by 1. Close it. Got 2. We got 10 here plus 2, which is 2 times 12, which is 24. For the surface area, 48 plus 24, that gives us 72 centimeter square. Please subscribe, like the video, and share. Be blessed for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.